Let's pretend, kids!
We join Let's Pretend Kids with nothing to do.
Find it, look at my phone! A genie lamp! We know just what to wish for!
Hello! I am your genie, and my name is Cornelius!
Hi, Cornelius. I gotta sing. Smile or something.
No, I was blessed with looks, but I was not blessed with singing talent.
That genie looks like a lot like Jaxon.
Well, this, Jaxon sounds like a very handsome man. Hey, girls! Whoa, that's one good-looking genie. It is time to make your first wish.
Wow, let's get a game. A fun one. Yeah. We wish for a fun game.
This is my command.
Whoa, let's open it.
Well, I guess I'll go.
Wait, do you want to play with us?
Yeah.
Whoa. Look up.
I'll open it for you, girls.
Very cool.
And here's everything inside.
Here's my marble.
A bunch of like pipes and
Stuff.
like holes.
Things like stuff like these.
I haven't opened these packages
And
to
it
protect
costs.
your young little head.
Aww. I like this genie.
Aww.
Did we not know people like genies sometimes? And we can start building with tubes and everything you will need to build this. Yeah. I'm gonna take one of these. Ooh, this kind of looks like you know at restaurants where they have like really fancy slides and everything. That's what I'm technically doing, but it's gonna be for a marble.
Really fancy slide.
I'm Mickey. It's a hamburger out of ice and water.
You're making a hamburger?
These are so fun. Thank you, Genie.
You're welcome.
I like you.
Oh. That's sweet little child. Show mine.
Tingling in anger.
Put it in here. Mm-hmm. Make it look like a snake. Let's put two in there.
Let's put two.
Oh, don't forget to tune back in later to see what the girl's next wish is.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Make sure to check the videos on Sunday. Bye!